Assalamualaikum. Today our topic is adding Roman numerals. In this lesson I will tell you how to add Roman numerals. Add Roman numerals directly by recognizing their value in the Arabic number system. Add Roman numerals by recognizing their values in Arabic number system. What is the Arabic number system? Arabic number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. I will tell you add the Roman numerals according to the Roman rules by recognizing Arabic number systems. Suppose this is 3, add 7, 3, add 7. In Arabic number system, 3 like this, 7, 3 plus 7 is equal 10. In Roman rule is equal 10. There is 4. In Roman rule there is 4 in Roman numeral. In Arabic system, 4, add 4, add Roman numerals directly by recognize their value in Arabic system. 4 plus 4 is equal 8. In Roman numerals, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. 10 subtract 1. This is 9. In Arabic system, write this. 1 add 1 is equal 10. In Roman numerals, Roman way, write 10. 10 plus 5. 10 add 5. 15. In Roman way, 10, 5, 15. It's a 9, add 5, 6. 10 subtract 1, 9. 5 add 1 is equal 6. In Arabic system, 9 add 6 is equal 15. In Roman way, 15 write this. Value कोई भी हो, 9, 6 is equal 15. We add Roman numerals recognized in Arabic system. इन अरेबिक सिस्टम वी राइट रोमन न्यूमरल्स. हमने इसको अरेबिक सिस्टम में ऐड किया और फिर रोमन सिस्टम में आराम से इसको हमने ऐसे पुट किया. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें. आई थिंक आपको समझ आ गया होगा. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.